We reached Port Antonio. It's beautiful here.
This unassuming pink house wasn't reminiscent of most restaurants in Jamaica, though it might just have the best food in it. Shamelessly, we ended up going there almost every day we were in Port Antonio. The place had an incredible array of vegan food that differed every day, and the mystery of something new or the hope of an old faith kept us completely hooked.
So you got tofu, chunks, rice, fried rice, and wheat dumpling. Oh, that is Spaniard. She didn't go big. Ooh. It's looking nice though. I didn't give you. Alright, bye. See you later. Bye. Juice man! Love the flag, it's amazing.
Yeah, my God. Everybody go. How you doing? Right,
Thank you. See you later. One thing I can't get used to about Jamaica is just that there's casually just goats everywhere. Right, mate? I think they're known to bite and headbutt, so you don't want to get too close to them. Peace. So I was just in Draper's, got a route taxi for 100 Jamaican dollars to Winifred Beach. I'm just about to hit the beach in the afternoon. Back at Winifred Beach again. Thank you.
That's the only way I can work. You have to stop everything that you were doing because you're doing something that your body tell you is not right. So you have to stop. So you stop do all what you're doing. And let's start over again. And I give you all the vegetable and all this stuff. Cleaned you out from the roots to the vegetable. Because you see the creator that creates us, creates our pharmacy. That's the
It's
pharmacy
everything.
right there.
100%.
All them green stuff, that's our pharmacy, yeah? We go around them, but we can't. We are going under them if we try to go around them. Under them we're going, yeah. We live with the root, fruit, the trees, and the fruits, we live with them.
Humans survived how many millions of years or whatever without it?
Yeah, it's what we eat, killing us.
And
all these dead junk, kill your body, blocked up your red blood cell, clad you down. You don't want that.
And I was thinking, why am I so tired and fatigued all the time? Because I'm active and I do stuff. And I realized it was the diet.
Yeah, your food, the drinks.
All the breads and all the sugar foods and alcohol.
Yeah, love it, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it was no good.
You wanna free up, yeah. You wanna be eating just, you see the food that you just ate? Those are the kind of stuff you wanna eat. And sometimes you don't even wanna boil them on the fire. You just wanna juice them and drink them.
Yeah, true.
Then you get the good enzyme from them, yeah? You just say, all right, today, 1 week, no cooked food. I'm just gonna juice all them green, nice. You can juice them, the carrot, the cucumber, the cabbage, the lettuce. All them stuff can just juice and drink. They're more stronger for you. And it clean your skin also.
Yeah, that's what I need. Yeah.
Clean you, right? Go straight to the blood. And that's how you get clean, by the blood. Your blood clean, you're clean. You see, I'm not in this business for the money. You seen this one?
Yeah, that's like the cashew.
Right, that's the cashew.
I was shocked when I first saw it. Because, you know, you just get food in the, in bags.
You just go buy it when you don't know it comes.
Yeah.
But you know, this part is good. This part is good for the juice.
Oh, so you can blend it?
You can just eat it just like that. It's very good for you. And this one is called tinkin toe.
Tinkin toe?
Yeah. This is a good fruit too. This one.
And this is the kneesberry here.
And this is the kneesberry and this is the tambourine. This one here is the tambourine. And this one is called tomato plum. This is a very sweet plum also.
Yeah, I'm just getting some ideas what I'm going to order when I come tomorrow.
You got your peanuts and your ripe bananas and your mango, papaya.
So he told me he can cook anything. So I wrote a list.
You wrote the list. Dumpling.
I came back.
Your dumpling, your yam.
He said he can make anything. So he said rice, pumpkin curry, plantain, beetroot salad, wheat dumplings, and yellow yam. But I'm a bit late.
That's what they says to me. Don't worry about it. We're gonna be late, but you're gonna be.
He's doing a reveal.
Whoa!
Plantain, yellow yam, dumpling, rice, and this. Let me see. You want a small one too?
Yes.
Mama Earth. Does this name have a road? Does this road have a name?
Road?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's it called?
This is the stretch to Sansan Beach.
The stretch to Sansan Beach.
Yeah.
Between Winifred and Port Antonio.
Yeah. Called Rasta
Mama Earth.
Highway.
See you later, Mama Earth. Take care. Bye. And then Draper's Beach across the road. Jeez, the water is clear as day. Look how clear it is. Because sometimes when you come to the beaches that are like off the track, the water's like super,
Dirty.
not even dirty, just like not that clean, not that clear. Yes, Rasta. See you later, buddy. Peace.
Yeah, really. Yeah, so